Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best self-cleaning litter boxes that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Multi-Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Nature's Miracle is well known by cat owners for its odor control products, and this automatic litter box is no different. A motion sensor detects when your cat has left the litter box, and a rake automatically scoops clumps into odor-controlled receptacles. Carbon filters work to keep the odor contained. The extra-large box comes with a 1-year warranty against defects and accommodates larger or multiple cats. Its high walls prevent litter from being scattered, and a paw cleaning ramp limits tracking. Although most reviewers recognize that a larger mat is necessary to prevent all tracking. The removable rake makes cleanup a breeze, and a handy scoop and rake cleaning tool are included. Although you can use any premium clumping litter, for an additional fresh linen fragrance, you can use Nature's Miracles brand of super absorbent clumping cat litter. Moving on at number 4, we have AI Self-Washing Cat Box. The Cat Genie AI eliminates the need for litter completely. This revolutionary litter box uses special granules which are raked to remove solid waste, then rinsed with a sanitizing solution and blown dry, so your cat has clean fresh litter every time it goes. The granules are made from natural materials, which get broken down by bacteria in a landfill or septic tank, making them septic safe. Another consumer favorite, the litter box installs easily in your bathroom or laundry room, using a cold water hookup and a drain to flush the waste, no plumber necessary. The washable granules, which are biodegradable if flushed, and Sani solution need to be replenished a few times per year. The Cat Genie app allows you to monitor the frequency of your cat's bathroom visits, which can help detect early health issues, and provides status updates on the cleaning cycles. If you don't need the app, the Cat Genie 120 is a lower cost option. You can select whether you want the cleaning to take place every time your cat uses the litter box or at set times throughout the day. It's ideal for multiple cats, large or small, but not kittens, and a privacy dome can be purchased separately. At number 3, we have Scoop-Free Ultra Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Say goodbye to bags of litter and litter dust. A consumer favorite, the PetSafe Scoop-Free Ultra Self-Cleaning Litter Box uses pre-filled disposable trays of crystal litter, which have exceptional odor locking and moisture-absorbing properties. Available in 3 different colors, with a 1-year warranty, the hooded litter box also has a health counter to record often your cat uses it, to alert you to possible health problems. 5, 10, or 20 minutes after your cat has used and exited the litter box, you get to set the timer. The automatic rake sweeps solid waste into the covered receptacle incorporated in the disposable tray and grooms the crystals so your cat has fresh litter for its next use. If a cat enters during the cleaning cycle, detection sensors automatically reset the rake's timer. Every few weeks, in a single cat household, simply dispose of the litter tray and replace with a new one. Because of the crystal's moisture-absorbing properties, it's best not to install this litter box in an area with high humidity, such as a bathroom. At number 2, we have Multi-Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. As its name indicates, the litter-made Multi-Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box is designed for use with multiple larger cats, weighing over 15 pounds. High walls keep cat litter from being kicked out while your cat is covering, and the paw cleaning ramp helps ensure litter is not tracked out of the box. The electric rake operates through any clumping litter and the receptacle stores up to a week's mess. Carbon filters in the self-contained waste receptacles keep odor contained with the clumps. This litter box has a 90-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty for defects. And finally at number 1. Simply Clean Self-Cleaning Automatic Litter Box. The budget-friendly PetSafe Simply Clean Automatic Litter Box is ideal for smaller cats, up to 15 pounds. Although it should be left unplugged for kittens less than 6 months old. The whisper-quiet, slow-moving conveyor system operates constantly, sifting the clumping litter of your choice to remove the waste, completing a full rotation each hour. Recycled plastic bags can be used to line the waste container, eliminating additional cost for accessories. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.